Hey guys, welcome back. I have a little packet opening today, and this is some clothing that I got from a friend on hey Chase, on Instagram. Let me see if this will open like this. No, get down. He wants to get up on the table. No. Anyway, my friend on Instagram, Once Upon a BJD, was selling some of her clothing. I think most of this was MSD clothing. Oh, look at how cute this is. This packaging. Chase, no. He must smell something. Does it smell good, Chase? Oh, there's more. Oh my gosh. Look at the little... Do I say this right? Haribo or Haribo? I love gummy bears. That's so sweet. Oh my gosh, and there are stars in here. We've got little stars falling out. Oh, such sweet packaging. And these are cute sizes. I'm gonna have to take some pictures of these with my dolls. Let's make sure that was everything. Okay, and I love purple. You know what? That's my favorite color. So let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, there's more. I didn't even realize. We got more gummy bears, and I love gummy bears. All right, I'm going to put these aside. So we can open these packages. Oh, look. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. Jasper threw in not one, but 2 more gummy bears. Hope you and your crew enjoys." And it's from Once Upon a BJD on Instagram. Y'all need to go follow her. Did I just say y'all? That's my Oklahoma background coming out. I think I've been getting my accent back. So cute. Little hearts. Alright, let's get these open. Get these guys open. Is it taped or glued? Oh. I don't like cutting the ribbon. And I don't want to tear the stickers. You should see me open presents at Christmas. Okay. Oh, okay, these are the SD size. I did get a couple of SD size shirts. That is super cute. With a little tie in the front. Oh, and this one too. I've got a couple of SD girls. Oh, and I didn't even realize it's got like little elastic ruffles around the sleeves, around the arm. And I loved the butterflies, so I had to get that. Let's see if we can, there we go. Had to touch the screen so that it would focus. Those are super cute. Love the butterflies. Let me show you this one again. Let's touch it. Tap. Focus. Okay. Super cute. And I forgot to bring one of my SD girls over here. I was going to try one on her, but I'm not sure if I would be able to get it over their head anyway without taking their heads off right now, so I will just put those on them later. Oh, I see there's a lot of stars down in there. You guys see those stars? Cute. How sweet is that? That is super sweet. Let me go ahead and scoop these little stars over to the side, and I will put them in the bag. Okay. Now let's open, this must, whoops, there's another star. There's probably stars in here too. Now let's open, this one must be the MSD size clothing. And more stars. What a sparkly package. I love it. I love it. One sleeve up and one sleeve down. There we go. It's actually getting cold, guys. I've got my sweatshirt on, my hoodie. I've been getting down into the 30s at night. Yep, I hear stars in there. Oh, look at them. We got lots of stars. Oh, this is adorable. Oh my gosh, look at this. And this is by Mobinjo. I think that's how you say it. And I did bring one of my MSD girls over here. I am going to try it on her. And we've got this cute little fox skirt. Isn't that adorable? So cute. I love that fabric. I love foxes anyway. So adorable. Okay, let's get my girl. Okay, you're being warned. There's going to be a little doll nudity because I had already prepared her for this. This is my Little Monica Lariat. And she's MSD sized. We are going to see if this dress will fit her. And let's see, how are we going to do this? It looks like it will probably stretch over her head, but let's see if we can do it without knocking her wig off and all kinds of stuff. Let's put your arms up. So we'll do, sorry guys, you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm going to put her arms in first. And hopefully this dress will stretch over everything. Okay, I'm going to hold on to her hands and I'm going to stretch it over her head. Hold on guys, this is a little hard to do on camera, but let's see if we can do it. Should have probably taken her head off. I might not have to. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to have to hold her, guys. Hold on. I'll be right back. I'm still here. I'm still here. I am just working her arms up in there, and her head is going in. She says, I'm here, guys. We're almost there. Help! We're almost there. Done. Wow, she's adorable in this. Oh my gosh. Guys, check her out. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Yes, Chase, he wants to see too. He wants to see her too. Look at this. Isn't she just precious? Yes, Chase. Chase. Isn't she just precious? I love it. Alright, guys. I think that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off. And she says, thanks for joining. Thanks for watching me get dressed. And she loves her new Mickey Mouse dress. Alright, guys. I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye. And I will see you next time. And I'll have all the links down below. Go follow Once Upon a BJD on Instagram. And I'm sure she'll have, I think, I'll put her sales page link down below as well, because she'll probably have more clothes for sale. I think she still has some clothes for sale. So go check it out, guys. And I will see you again later. Bye.